Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord's umkhokha the curse. Okay, let us start ngonobuntu, right? Nobuntu, the work goes well. Ugirl is working, Ugirl is doing money, Ugirl is doing the things that makes the post to be done. She was told that all the job that she did so far so good, and therefore she's going to get her money accordingly, right? Because she earns by profit based on the amount of sales that she has done. And Ugirl, all the people that she pitched to have paid. Ugirl gets paid, gives a portion of the salary to her parents, and vele they prayed for her, they blessed her like any other parent would do. Now the problem comes when one of the customers is a person that knows Unobuntu, right? Now this person is telling Unobuntu where to get off. Ubani, that person, Mrs. Undlovu, Umgandlovu. And they, at this point, they want to expose Nobuntu. Hey, because Nobuntu is scamming them. Where is Nobuntu getting all this information? It means that Nobuntu got a new boyfriend. That new boyfriend is teaching her how to scam people and whatnot. And to Nobuntu, this was triggering because she thought it was in the past. And you know, the past has a way of creeping in. While Umabusi is struggling, because obviously Ugirl misses her child. Even on the breakfast table, Ugirl is pretending there and there, but you can see that her heart is heavy. All she wants is to be with her child. But ke Unokubonga decides to do a video call to show Uvulindlela umamake and vice versa. That warmed her heart. Ugirl was even able to do some cooking and do some things around the house, that which also warmed Uzamkolo's heart, because Uzamkolo was like, I feel your pain. And Umabusi was like, you honestly don't feel my pain, because without my child there's no purpose of me being alive. All I want is to be with my child and hold my child. But eventually Osfotria came and addressed the fact that in Mozambique they are now ready for Uzamkolo Nonomafu, and as of tomorrow they can go to Mozambique, meaning ukuthi ukhulekani uyosala awumkhululi mselufu. All right, Ukhulekani got a lot of gifts, right, from Tempeleni Lenkosi upon being umkhululi, right? But before being umkhululi and ordained into that position, uGayi besekaphupha aba umzalwane alandela umfundisi wakhe. I was like, yes. When Ukhulekani, how? You cannot be convinced that easy to swap to and play for another team. When I'm go back to Christ, kuphi vala. Okay, wa-ordainwa ke wajabula kwabamnandi. But one thing he asked from Uzamkolo was like, I don't want to be ordained by Undlovu, because I know Undlovu and his shenanigans and his negative talks. I would honestly want to be ordained by you. Uzamkolo wamtshela ukuthi no, I won't be able to be there. All I need to right now is to be around Umabusi. Umabusi needs me and but while Ndlovu was doing the ceremony and doing what needs to be done, Uzamkolo did show up, and kwaba huyo ofaka Ukhulekani the armor, for a bit of a for a lack of a better word, right? We'll call that thingy that he put on his shoulders the armor, right? Man, the whole family is happy, the church is happy. The only person that is not happy, obviously, Undlovu, because he believes in his heart of hearts that this position was supposed to be his and ifanela yena. So now that Ukhulekani umkhululi, can we see now true colors kamngaki? Because I don't know, I just feel good goes over no guys. I did not do the teaser this month. I did not watch the teaser this month because I was a bit discouraged. But hi man, I feel girl. Ngifila ngathi uzongena kuma high horses izomhlanyisa. Not the way she received presents and she was overwhelmed by the calls. Hi, I was like, Allah. But here's a funny thing that happened, right? Also, Umalume wants to be umkhululi, and they said to Umalume, when I khululeka, when I come back from Mozambique, we are going to be umkhululi for a day. But yeah, we know Umalume this guy. But yeah, thank you for watching. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Tell me what you thought about tonight and yesterday's episode. I love you. Peace. Bye.